Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to walk through how to write a tour guide job application letter. If you love traveling, storytelling, and leading groups on exciting adventures, then this job might be perfect for you. But before you can get hired, you need to write a strong and professional application letter that makes you stand out. In this video, I'll explain each section step by step, breaking down what to write, why it matters, and how to make your application shine. By the end, you'll be confident in writing your own persuasive and well-structured job application letter. So, let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you always begin with your own contact details. This is how the employer will reach out to you if they're interested in hiring you. In our sample letter, we have David Thompson, 1824, Maplewood Drive, Denver, Colorado, 80210, 303-555-9234. David.Thompson@example.com. Let's break this down. Start with your full name at the top. It should be the first thing the employer sees. Include your full address so they know where you're located. This is especially important for a tour guide job, as employers may prefer local applicants. List your phone number. This is how they will likely contact you first. Add your email address, but make sure it's professional. Avoid casual addresses like travelguy99@email.com and stick to something simple with your name. This section should be clean, well-organized, and easy to read, making it simple for the hiring manager to contact you. Step 2. Writing the date. Next, you need to include the date you're sending the letter. In our sample, it's March 30th, 2025. Always use the month, day, year format. This keeps your letter looking polished and professional. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Now, we add the hiring manager's details. This is important because it shows who the letter is for. Here's what we have. Hiring manager, Rocky Mountain Adventure Tours, 5267 Trailblazer Avenue, Denver, Colorado, 80202. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's best to use it. For example, you could write Mr. Jonathan Parker, Ms. Emily Rodriguez. If you don't know their name, it's okay to use a general title like hiring manager, which we've done here. Always include the company's name and full address. This helps ensure your letter reaches the right place. This section shows attention to detail, which is a great quality in a tour guide. Step 4. Writing the subject line. A subject line makes it clear and easy for the employer to understand why you're writing. In our example, we use subject, application for tour guide position. A good subject line should be short and clear, no unnecessary words. Job specific, mention the position you're applying for. Professional, no exclamation marks or casual language. If you're emailing your application, this subject line can also be used as your email subject. Step 5. The salutation, greeting the hiring manager. Now we officially start the letter with a polite greeting. Our sample says, "Dear hiring manager, this is a formal and respectful way to start your letter. If you know their name, always use it." For example, "Dear Mr. Parker, dear Ms. Rodriguez, if you don't know their name, Dear hiring manager is a good choice." A proper salutation sets a professional and welcoming tone for your letter. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph, introducing yourself. Now, let's start the main part of the letter. Our sample begins with, "I am writing to express my interest in the tour guide position at Rocky Mountain Adventure Tours. As a passionate traveler, with over 5 years of experience leading engaging and informative tours, I am eager to bring my enthusiasm, storytelling skills, and in-depth knowledge of local history and nature to your esteemed company." This paragraph does 3 important things. States the purpose of the letter, you're applying for a job. Mentions your experience, in this case, 5 years as a tour guide. Highlights key skills, enthusiasm, storytelling, and knowledge of the area. A strong opening like this grabs the employer's attention right away. Step 7. highlighting your experience and skills. Next, you need to prove why you're the best person for the job. Here's how our sample does it. In my previous role at Denver Outdoor Expeditions, I led hiking, cultural, and historical tours, ensuring guests had a memorable and educational experience. My strong communication skills allow me to connect with diverse groups, making each tour both entertaining and informative. Additionally, my first aid certification and expertise in outdoor survival techniques ensure the safety and well-being of all participants. This paragraph does several things. Mentions a past job, showing that you have real experience. Explains what you did, leading different types of tours. Highlights key skills, communication, safety, and survival techniques. These details help the employer visualize you as a tour guide in their company. Step 8. Expressing interest in an interview. Now, let's wrap things up with a strong closing paragraph. I would love the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experience align with the needs of Rocky Mountain Adventure Tours. Please feel free to contact me at your earliest convenience to schedule an interview. This is a polite and confident way to express interest in an interview, showing you're serious about the job. Reinforce that you're a great fit, connecting your skills to their needs. Make it easy for them to respond by inviting them to contact you. Step 9. Closing the letter professionally. Now, we end the letter with, "Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team." Always thank the employer. This shows respect and appreciation. Show enthusiasm for the job. This leaves a positive impression. And finally, we sign off with, "Sincerely, David Thompson." Use a professional closing like, "Sincerely. Best regards. Respectfully." Include your name to personalize it. And that's how you write a tour guide job application letter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.